Hi guys, so today we're going to talk about subtitles, and adding subtitles in DaVinci Resolve is a very easy task. So all you're going to do, you're going to go to timeline, right click on empty space, and here you can add subtitle track. You can add as many subtitle tracks as you want for different languages. However, only one track is enabled at a time. So let's go ahead, right click, add subtitle, and then add another one on second track, and another one on third track. And as you can see, second and third track, they are disabled. Only one subtitle is enabled at the same time. This is done so you can export different languages. For example, this will be your English subtitle, and you can export it in delivery page, and then go disable this track, enable the French one, and then disable this and enable the German one, or whatever it is, and then export it. So that's basically why there is only one track that is enabled. So let's go back to our first track. Anytime you click on a subtitle, you get this subtitle window on the right where you can type your text, hello, which is not accurate. I'm not saying here hello, but for the purpose of this video should work. And you have your subtitle here. Last time I did a YouTube video by my friend Sergeant. If you go to the track style, you can change the style, you can make it bigger, change the font face, color, position, and also if it's not visible enough, you can just change background, add the background, or drop the shadow. However, all these changes apply to the whole track. Whatever you do from here, if you create another one, you will have the same exact settings here. And whatever you change will change the whole track. Now, you still have option to customize your subtitles. If you go to the right window, subtitle window, you can see here there's a small menu, use track style. You unclick this one, and then you can change a couple things. You can change the font face, color, size, and position. However, if you go again here and get rid of your background, you will get rid of the background everywhere. So there are a couple things that always will stay. However, you can change your, you can make it bold, and then all other will stay. I guess it was semi-bold, or it was just light, and this one will be bold. Again, if you create another one, it will create a subtitle already with this menu on. You can again unclick, and as you can see, it won't change your subtitle to fit to the previous one. What I mean by that, if this one is bold with the track style unclicked, this one still won't be. It doesn't remember your previous custom settings. So if you want exact same type of subtitle here, what you can do, you can copy paste, and then all of those will stay bold. You just change the text. So once you've done all your subtitles, you can go to your delivery page, and here, when you got all the settings already done, or maybe even before this, you can go here. There's this menu which is always closed. You click on it, and then it always unclicked, so it won't export your subtitles. So you open, click the export subtitles, and then you can choose the format. You can export them as a separate file, which will be, as you can see, SRT, which is quite common subtitle, and you can choose export subtitle 1, 2, 3, or all of them at the same time. You get 3 files. You can burn into video, and in this case you can choose all 3 of them. Of course, you'll only export the one that is enabled, and then you have an option of as embedded caption, and here you can choose the codec. As I understand, this is in the case when you watch your movie on QuickTime, and there is the option to turn on or turn off the subtitles. That's where this comes to play. Once you choose the desirable option, you just go ahead and export as usual. So in quick kind of video, this is what I wanted to tell you. But however, there's a couple more things to know. You can import subtitles as well. You can go to the file, import, and then click import subtitle. And in this case, if you know how to create a subtitle text, or you received the transcript of the whole film and if that transcript is written in a correct form with the correct time codes, when you import the subtitle, you will get a new subtitle track with all the subtitles within the time codes that are written in original text. If you don't know what I'm talking about, and if you would like me to do a separate video, because it will be long if I included this in this one, I can show you guys how to create a subtitle document within time codes, correct time codes, which will allow DaVinci Resolve understand where subtitles should stand in the video, and when you import it, it will stand to the exact time code that you've written on the original document. I hope this was kind of easy to understand. Sorry, my English sometimes is not very clear. If there are any questions, let me know. But for the short video, this is all I wanted to talk about. Yeah, and this is my tired face. Bye, guys.